Hey everybody, Glenn here at the Marion Floor Store, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about some of the pros and cons about, is it better to buy vinyl plank flooring from a big box store, or is it better to buy from a local store like here at the Marion Floor Store? I'll give you a few things about my experience. I started my professional flooring career as an installer in 1986 and know a lot about what floors the big box stores handle and what the quality of those floors are like and stuff. So when you're a big company like one of these big box stores, you can buy, containers and containers and containers of floors, pennies on the dollar a lot of times. And a lot of times the stores have made deals with the companies also, not to mention that they're buying volume. And this floors, in my opinion, they were not the best floors when I installed for those box stores. I did not like installing for them most of the time because it was a hard product to install, even though it was inexpensive and the customers liked the value of it. But the value doesn't equate when you have to spend more time installing it and having damaged product and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, we here at the Marion Floor Store have made a commitment to only bring in quality products that are DIY friendly and easy to install. And just to give you a little bit of more information about these box stores and how they have progressed over the years. When I was installing for some of the box stores back in the 90s and early 2000s, they had programs that were developed to capture local contractors in the community and hire those contractors as flooring installers to install for them. And we had good relationships and everything flowed smoothly. But these companies changed their values over the years, and it used to be in the flooring department at one of these box stores, they had specialty men and women that knew about flooring. And they were able to work with me and work with other installers like myself, and we were able to have good quality conversations and make everything flow smoothly. But over the years, they have switched up so that their personnel in their flooring or in their store departments, they rotate. They rotate from the paint department, they rotate to the lumber department, they rotate to the flooring department. So at any given time, for the most part, most people in that flooring department don't know what they're talking about. They might know a little bit, but anyway, it's just general. They have general knowledge, but they don't have specific knowledge to be able to help you in the decision making of picking out the proper floor and hearing your lifestyle, what if you have a lot of kids, you have a lot of dogs, are you going to need a waterproof floor? Are you going to need this kind of floor? And help put you in the right floor. Here at the local Marion Floor Store, we're interested in hearing about, if you have dogs, if you have cats, if you have kids, and what your lifestyle is going to be like, and put the proper floor in your home to make it a valuable long-term thing, because flooring is a big investment, and we like it to become almost a permanent fixture of your home, so to speak. So anyway, and the other thing that these large box stores have done over the years is, like I told you earlier, they used to hire local contractors, flooring contractors in the community, but now they have, for the most part, hired one big company that does the nationwide installations for them. And this one big company somehow they hire local contractors, and these local contractors work for them, but it doesn't work very good. It seems to capture, since they're taking a big piece of the pie, this national contractor is taking a big piece of the pie for the installation, and then they have to make some money on their margin, so they hire local contractors, but they're only giving them a small portion of that pie. So in essence, they're usually getting maybe new installers that have just started out and not the seasoned veterans that have experience and really know what they're doing. So anyway, I tried it when they first started this system and worked for one of those big, large companies, and they're not fun to work with. And Anyway, that is a little bit about the history of what I know about vinyl plank flooring and whether it's better to buy from a big box store or from a local community store like here at the Marion Floor Store. Anyway, I hope this brings value to helping educate you a little bit and help you make a wise decision. Anyway, come see us at the Floor Store. 406-300-0048 is our phone number. We do free estimates in the valley and would love to talk with you.